Hi guys, my name is Vlad. Let me clear things out straight away. It's not a clickbait. I actually bought iPhone 12 Pro for zero money. However, I wanted to say that it's financially irresponsible to purchase a new phone every year, especially if you cannot afford it. But I will let you decide, can you or can you not. I'm usually buying a new phone only because I am able to do what I will be showing you in this video, and that's not taking much time for me. However, if I would have invested the same amount of money that I'm spending on the iPhone 12 Pro, it would be a much wiser choice long term. But it's topic for another video. Let me know down in the comments if you would like a comparison like that. So let me show you how I am able to achieve it, and hopefully this information will be valuable to you. So my morning starts with eBay. I usually open it up, type in the search bar iPhone, choose a box that it says ending soonest, and scroll down here, and in the condition I check the for parts or not working. And here you go, you start, you open the first phone, for example, what it is there, read the description, check the IMEI number if it's available there, and if you like the description and you think you can fix that, I bid on it. And if the bid is valuable, for example, the phone does not exceed the amount I can sell it as not working, it's usually a good buy and I bid on it. If not, I just pass it on, and you go on like that with all the phones that you have here available, and that's basically every day. It takes like maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes if you are quick, and then you wait till the phone arrives. Let me quickly show you what I have ordered. So basically it's two packages there, 13 phones total, and one package contains 5 phones, second package contains 8 phones. Yeah. Total I have spent €941.60 there. So if you divide that by 13, you're getting one phone price is €72.43. That's a very good deal actually, and package already here. I received them Monday, October 19, but I didn't open them yet as I was quite busy there. So we will be going through that today, and I will be showing you that on camera. So let's do that. Before we jump into the unboxing, I wanted to warn you that I will not be showing repairs in this video, because this video probably already will be too long and I don't want to make it even longer. So if you want to see videos about repairs, like how I fix the phones with the similar issues, you can check previously released videos on the channel about, for example, no service or no microphone or audio IC issue. And if I'm not talking money in that video, that means that phone came from this package. I received the two packages here. Let's see how they look. There are supposed to be 13 phones here. So let's open them up and see what we got. This package is supposed to be 5 phones. So in this package we have iPhone 7, iPhone 7, iPhone 7, iPhone 7, and iPhone 6 Plus. So let's see what else we got. 1, 2. So here I see we have 3 iPhone 7 Pluses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 iPhone 7s. Yeah. So totally we have 9 iPhone 7s and 4 pluses. So 3 iPhone 7 pluses and 1 6 plus. Alright, let's see. Let's do a quick diagnostics on them. I mean, they connect to the charger and visually check them and see what's wrong with them and if we can make any money from them. So we finished with the charging. I got these phones tested and made a notice here on the back what's wrong with them. So totally I have 4 phones that are not working, yeah, and 9 phones that are coming on. So let me take you to the spreadsheet as I marked there out what's wrong with them. 4 phones that are not powering on, so one of them is iPhone 7 Black that is taking 33 milliamps. iPhone 7 Silver is dead short there. It's power cycling to the 400 milliamps and cuts off straight away, so it tries to to power on, but there is a short circuit. iPhone 7 Black taking no power at all, and iPhone 7 Plus is showing Apple logo but does not see battery. I see that from the consumption of the phone. Yeah, all the rest phones are coming on, just some of them has no service. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phones has no IMEI number. That means that they cannot be activated, and rest of the phones have minor faults like audio IC or the touch IC issue. So I will be going through phones one by one. I probably will start with the lighter issues as they are quicker. Something like audio IC and touch IC, they probably can be done in a half an hour if they go from first try. And after that I will be going through modem ones that has no service issues. They take a little bit more time, something like an hour if it goes from first time. Yeah, so let's see how we go. So I finished with all 13 phones that I have ordered. I was able to fix 11 of them and I was not able to fix 2 of them. So let's quickly go over the 2 of them that I was not able to fix. So this iPhone 7 had no service originally. So I disassembled that, I checked, and the issue was in the modem itself. So modem is internally short-circuited. I cannot replace that part. That means that we cannot fix that phone. So this phone is going as a not working phone. Yeah, I will be selling that as not working phone. And second one is the iPhone 7 Plus with the audio IC issue. Yeah, I could not fix that either because I just don't know what the issue is. It's most likely something related to CPU, I would say, because I replaced 2 times audio IC, I replaced all the resistors around, I fixed all the connections, I replaced all 3 amplifiers in the phone, and I checked the connection around the earpiece flex there as well. Everything looks fine, all the resistances are there, all diode modes readings are fine, there is no shortcut anywhere, but there is still no audio. Who knows what it is, and I will not be spending more time there because it's just not worth it. Yeah, so 2 phones I could not fix, and 11 I fixed. So let's open the Excel and check how we are looking there money wise. So these are all phones that I received, 13 of them. So in the yellow ones I marked that the ones I could not fix. So all phones, as I said before, costed 72 euro each, and total was 941 euro 60 cents. Yeah, I spent in repairs 67 euro. That was for this phone, for example, iPhone 7 Plus. I had to replace screen and fix audio, of course, and replace a battery because battery was low. So total added as 25 euro. And 3 more phones I had to replace just a screen and fix a motherboard issue. Well, motherboard issues are for free basically because it's just my labor, but screens of course I have to order, and they costed me 14 euro. These are not expensive screens, but they are not the cheapest as well. So if you want to go a little bit cheaper on cost, you can get screen like for maybe tenner if you really want like to save this 4 euro, but that's just probably not worth it. Yeah, so I have to as well add the chargers when I will be selling the phones to the local recycling shop, like local pound shop if you want to call that. Yeah, chargers cost me 1 euro and 50 cents. It's cheapest chargers I can find. They are kind of together. Let me bring you one. That's how charger looks, like this. It's one total charger. You have a cable here and you have a plug here. Yeah, so these chargers for iPhones cost 1 euro and 50 cents. So total on chargers I have spent 16 euro and 50 cents here on this purchase. Yeah, so let's quickly go through the faults that phones had. So this iPhone 7 had just a microphone issue at the beginning. I still did the microphone and the audio just in case audio will be breaking anytime soon. For example, it might be that audio is kind of an intermittent issue, and when a recycling shop will be checking my phones, this audio will kind of appear there and they will not take that phone because it's faulty. So that's why I'm fixing that ahead, and to be sure that they will take the phone. Okay, so that phone, yellow one, I didn't fix. So I'm not really losing money here, but still I didn't fix it. iPhone 7 32GB jet black, yeah, with no IMEI I fixed, so there is no cost because the screen was fine, battery was fine, all the parts are functioning, just there was no service. And this iPhone 7 with the audio IC I fixed as well, because that's very easy job, it takes like maybe 20 minutes, and all the parts as well were good. Next iPhone 7 black I fixed as well, there was as well no IMEI number, and there was a good screen, good battery, everything else worked, like cameras, microphones, everything worked, so there was no cost as well. Yeah, iPhone 7 black with the dead. You probably saw that video already on the channel with the short circuit there, and was taking 330 milliamps. And that phone I had to replace the screen after I fixed the short issue on the board. I fixed the screen there, so it added the cost there. Yeah, iPhone 7 silver. It was as well short circuited and broken screen as well, so I had to fix the short and replace the screen there to get a fully working phone. iPhone 7 black one, 32GB. There was no IMEI number, there was no part needed to be replaced. I needed only to fix the issue with no service, so I did that. Next one is iPhone 7 128GB. It was as well short circuited dead when it arrived. It was taking 0 milliamps, so I fixed that issue there, and the screen was not working on that phone, so I had to replace the screen as well. Next one is very good deal actually, like I was surprised that I got the 256GB iPhone 7 Plus. It was probably written in the description, just I didn't remember that on that time. Yeah, so iPhone 7 Plus, 256GB, it was no IMEI as well. Basically it was searching issue, and I was able to fix that. There was a good screen, good cameras, good batteries, everything was working perfectly. So I just fixed the issue with no service, and the phone costed €72 total, and I'm selling that for 250, so it's very good profit there. Yeah, next one is our iPhone 7 Plus 32GB jet black, and for that phone I had to replace the battery and the screen and fix the audio issue there. So it's like the most expensive phone in this batch repair wise, I mean. Yeah, so iPhone 7 Plus, next one that I couldn't fix. It has audio, it still have audio issue, otherwise phone is fully working, just like all the parts are working, just one motherboard issue that I cannot fix. It's really bummer, because usually this repairs takes like 20 minutes with disassembly and assembly. Yeah, who knows what's wrong with that, but I will be not wasting time there, because I'm still I bought this phone for €72 and I will be selling that for €105. It's still very good deal. Like, of course I spent a lot of time there, like probably two or 3 hours just to check and fail. Yeah, but still it's I'm getting €25 even, like I'm getting €30 even on the phone that don't work, just as resale. Yeah, and the last one from this batch is iPhone 6 Plus. That's 64GB phone that has Touch IC. It's like very common repair on that phone. You have to do the 2 jumpers. This as well takes like 20 minutes maybe. Yeah, that phone was fixed easy, and there was good screen, good charging port, good battery, everything else was good on that phone, so I spent €0 there on the parts, and of course charger. Yeah, so okay, so total I spent €941.60. Repairs I spent €67. Chargers I spent €16.5, and total I will be selling these phones for €2,067. So let me quickly walk you through what I have. So I have here iPhone 7 Rose, I have iPhone 7 Black, I have iPhone 7 Black in 128GB, I have iPhone 7 in silver. Yeah, and I have iPhone 7 Pluses, few, and 6 Plus there. So if we open the CX, for example, let's start with non-working phones. So if you open this like my local recycling shop, but they are available in many other countries, you check maybe your country as well have this service there, or some kind of a similar shop like that. They offer to buy a non-working phones, of course if they are not iCloud locked, but not working iPhone 7, and they are buying them for €75 here. So it's a very good deal. You often can get iPhone 7 on eBay for like less than that, and if you fail to fix it, you can sell to them. And what you're getting good experience with the broken phone. You're getting the phone that you can try many things there, and you still get your money back. It's like excellent value. Yeah, so 7 Plus as well. I couldn't fix one 7 Plus, and I can sell that phone for 105 euro as non-working phone. Yeah, so that's very good deal. Next, working phones. For iPhone 7 32 gigabytes black, they're giving 162 euro. Currently, for iPhone 7 Rose Gold 32 gigabytes, they are giving 156 euro. For iPhone 7 32 Silver, they are giving 151 euro. And for iPhone 7 128 gigabytes, they are giving 179 euro. And for iPhone 6 Plus 64 gigabytes, they're giving 133 euro. Yeah, so for iPhone 7 Plus 256 gigabytes is the highest spec iPhone 7 at the time, you can get 250 euro. And for iPhone 7 Plus 32 gigabytes, you're getting 280 euro. I'm getting 2000 euro for these 13 phones, and the pure profit 1041 euro and 92 cents. So I'm getting 101% on my money. Basically, I'm getting full my money back and 1000 on top of that. And guess what I will be doing with that 1000 euro? I yesterday ordered myself an iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you that. Yeah, here you go. This is my order. Yesterday I put order, it was 29th October, for the iPhone. Yeah, it will be a blue color. I put order for the iPhone 12 Pro yesterday on 29th October. And that date I finished all the phones and I added them to the Excel there, so I can see how much money I will be making from these phones. So now I have to just go. I will be going today and selling them to the CEX there, and they will be handling my purchase probably for a week. But anyway, yeah, so I spent the money yesterday and now I will be getting my money back. So basically, as I am sole trader here in Ireland, I can deduct VAT because it's my personal device and I'm using device for business. Yeah, so it's kind of a business expense. So what I can do, I can this full purchase price, yeah, but this for me is deductible because it's the business expense. So actual phone cost for me is 958 euro. Yeah, and if we check that, so we just deduct this number from that number. After I'm buying iPhone 12, I'm still plus of the 83 euro and 41 cents. And that's not talking about my actual iPhone 11 Pro that I will be selling as well to the CEX. And so basically, I'm upgrading my phone and I'm still in profit there. Yeah, that's how I usually upgrade my phones, and that's probably the best way to upgrade if you want upgrade. It's not necessary, but if you want to upgrade your phone, it's probably better to earn for that phone first and not buy that phone for the hard-earned money for you, because it's probably not really wise. Yeah, but if you want to upgrade, it's better to do it like that. Okay. So let me finish this video. I hope you like this, and I hope I don't sound really arrogant in this video. It's just I wanted to share how I usually upgrade my phones, and it's probably a smart way to upgrade, I would say so, because I don't really spend money there, because probably people shouldn't upgrade their phone just because they want that. You know, I'm having here iPhone 11 Pro and that's totally fine. This phone probably will serve me, if I would use that, would serve me like 3-4 years ahead, and that will be excellent. Yeah, but I just upgrade because I can. I literally spend like maybe 2 days here and I can get like 2 days of working in the free time. I mean, not actually fixing the customers' phones, but working when I can, after hours, like before working hours, for example. And I go quickly through all of these phones. It's like, maybe if you count total, yeah, it's 2 days. And you can get yourself a iPhone 12 Pro for free and still make a little bit of money on top of that. And if you count that I will be selling that as well, probably to CEX, you get like maybe 500 extra for that. So it's, I would say, very, very good deal there. Let's finish it here. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one.